Yeah, welcome to On The Surf. This is the family. On this channel we're talking about boat stuff in general, boat life with kids, how it works with kids on the boat, how it works with dogs on the boat maintenance and boat restoration and boat repairs, and basically boat life in general. Please subscribe to the channel. It doesn't cost a thing, it's free, but it helps me out and keeps my motivation going. So please hit that subscribe button, give the videos a thumbs up if you like the content, and if you don't, leave a comment below, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell. Yeah, everything is almost done. Here's the soft top, fully sewn. It's the only thing left on that is to mount it on the boat. Here's the new gooseneck. It's gonna be mounted something like that. Also ready to be mounted. Electricity in the boat, I only have to hook up the new batteries and that's done. And the bowsprit is on the floor just here. Also ready to be mounted. I have videos on everything, but yeah, I have a ton of video and I'm going to work and I don't have time for editing all the videos. Hopefully next weekend I'm gonna edit all the video, and yeah, and I will also mount it on the boat, and there will be more videos on that. So yeah, sorry for not getting out a real video, but it's coming. So stay tuned, like and subscribe, and if you want to get a notice when new video comes out, hit that little bell down here somewhere. So subscribe and hit that bell. Stay tuned. See you next weekend.